my name is Wes from Q Design, and today I'm going to be walking through a bit of a unique issue which one of my clients has been facing. We recently launched their new website, and then when editing the page with Elementor, they're faced with a breakpoint error. So I'm just going to show you what it is now. So we've got a copy of it here. So if we click Edit with Elementor using Chrome, the page takes quite a while to load, and then when it does, we'll see the page briefly, like now, and then it crashes. So error code status breakpoint. So we did a little bit of research on this, and there's a post in the WordPress forum. Now says resolved. It wasn't a few days ago, so fingers crossed it is. But yeah, so there's this person here who's describing the same issue. And this led us on to test using Firefox. So we downloaded Firefox and then we tried to edit the same page, and we successfully accessed the page using Elementor. It didn't crash. So that's the first point to know. If you're trying to get into the page and it's crashing, then try using Firefox, because it appears to get around the issue. So now we started to debug the problem. So what we did first was, with the page in question, we made a duplication of the live page. So if you haven't got this feature, then you should go to plugins and then search for a duplicate post or duplicate page. There's loads of plugins out there. So yeah, so we just duplicated the live page, and then we've got the master copy as a draft. But then for the live page, what helps is that we should have the revisions function. So what we did with the revisions function is, I'll show you here. So we went into the page, just edit with our Elementor, and on the right hand side you can go to browse, and then you can click through different dates and reverse the page to an earlier date. Whenever we reversed it to an earlier date, we made sure to note down the date and the time we did that, and just save it in a notepad. Once you restore this autosave, it'll go back to the editor, update, and then test to see if the page is working in Elementor. Then you can kind of debug and get to a point when you can figure out what element is causing the issue on the page. So after a little bit of testing, what we found was the accordion on the page, which is, I believe it's the default Elementor accordion function, was causing the issue. This is the box which was causing a problem. We found that out by working through the elements, deleting them from the page, and realizing that once this is removed, the page works in Chrome. So yeah, so once we found out what the problem was, the solution was pretty straightforward. We just needed to replace that accordion. There's a few different add-ons out there, but personally, we found this website, happyaddons.com, for Elementor. They've got an advanced accordion function, so you can see it in action here. So this is the one which we used, a normal accordion. And so we then added it to the website, and we can check it's working now. Fingers crossed. So hopefully Elementor will fix it in the latest update. But in the meantime, if you've encountering this issue in one way or another, then this is a solution for you. Find the element which is causing the problem and then replace it with another one. So here's the same page now, and it's loaded successfully, and we've got the accordion back. So yeah, that's how we personally fixed the breakpoint issue. That's the first time we've ever encountered it. If you've got any questions, then just drop it in the comments below. And if you could like and subscribe to the channel, it'd be amazing. And I look forward to seeing you again.